Respected Parshuramanji, Chief Guest of the Day, Ayagri Raoji, Guest of Honor, our very own Vice Chancellor General K.J. Singh, Vice Chancellor, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, distinguished guests, delegates and participants. It is a great pleasure for Amity to, and it's a great pleasure to welcome all the participants, guests and delegates of national and international level of 2000 Amity International Model United Nations 2010. I would like to congratulate Amity Resource Center, Jyoti Arora, she is the head of the center, and all the principals, vice principals, and vice principals and the headmisters of the Amity International School. Amity International School has been successfully hosting Model United Nations Conference since 2007 at the school level. In 2007, 2008 and 2009 have been a great success. Our students have participated in numerous international MAN like USA, UNA, USA, MONOG, Germany, Harvard MAN Boston, Harvard MAN China, VMAN China, etc. Amity International Model United Nations 2010 is a progressive step towards making it global, including international delegates. We have got delegates around from 8 international countries. The MAN conference is our first international conference and hence it is very close to our heart. This time we have more than 500 delegates from across the globe to achieve a common goal of a better understanding and a better world. Through AI MON, we aim to bring together vivid ideas and beliefs from different corners of the world and to channelize them into a common thought for changing the world for the better. The 3-day AI MON event has a lot to store for all of us to learn, imbibe and create awareness about our objectives is to provide a forum where the youth can come together to draft the charter of a new world body, gain a greater understanding of the UN and diplomacy insight into public relations, international business, politics and NGOs work, while allowing them to gain valuable researching, public speaking and decision-making skills. I would like to thank General K.J. Singh, Vice Chancellor, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Without him, I think schools could not have dreamt to organize this grand program. I am very thankful to General K.J. Singh, Amity University, and the team of the whole in Amity University. I am very, very thankful. That without them, it was impossible. I would like to again thank the participants, students, organizers, teachers, volunteers, and all those who have striven hard in getting this annual event to a promising start. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Parshuramanji, Director, South Asia Section, UNESCO, and Mr. Rajiv Chandran, National Information Officer, United Nations, Information Center for India and Bhutan, who could not be present but sent his best wishes, without whose support hosting this international event would not have been a possibility. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our guest of honor, V. Rao Ayagiriji, Advisor, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, for gracing this event and for their continual support all through. And I will like special mention our R.P. Singh ji. R.P. Singh ji, thank you so much. Without you, we could not have our chief guest of the day. Wishing all students, everyone involved here, the very best, looking forward for a great event. And I urge to all the delegates and the participants, please enjoy, make it the best out of it, and be happy in Amity University. Thank you very much.